Hello everyone. Last lecture I start the new and very important point, that is the administration of this act and rule. In that you see the advisory body, DTAB, Drug Technical Advisory Board. In that you will see about ex officio member, nominated member and elected member of DTAB. DTAB constituted by central government. In that ex officio member, 8 member is listed. First, Director General of Health Service Chairman is the chairman of Director Health Service. Then second, a Drug Controller of India. Third, Director of the Central Drug Laboratory, Calcutta. Fourth, Director of the Central Research Institute, Kosoli. Fifth, Director of Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izatnagar. Sixth member, President of Medical Council of India. 7. President of Pharmacy Council of India. And last, the Director of Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. Now, the nominated member, 5 members is nominated by the DTAB in 2 person by the central government, 1 person by the central government from the pharmaceutical industry, and 2 person holding the appointment of government analyst under this act. Then elected member, there are 5 members elected from 1 person to be elected by the executive committee of the Pharmacy Council of India, 1 person to be elected by executive committee of Medical Council of India, one pharmacologist to be elected by the governing body of the Indian Council of Medical Research, 1 person to be elected by the Central Council of the Indian Medical Association, and 1 person to be elected by the Council of Indian Pharmaceutical Association. You also see the functions of DTAB. DTAB, the main function to advise the central government and state government on technical matter and to carry out the other function assigned to it by this act. Now today you discuss about DCC. DCC is the Drug Consultative Committee. It is also a advisory body constituted by central government. Constitution of DTAB, in that 3 person constituted under DCC. First, 2 representative of the central government, 1 representative of each state. There are 3 members in DCC, 2 representative of central government and 1 representative of each state government. Now, functions of the DCC: first, to advise the central government, the state government, and the Drug Technical Advisory Board on any other matter tending to secure uniformity throughout India in the administration of the Act. First function of DCC is to advise the central government, the state government, and the Drug Technical Advisory Board on the other matter tending to secure uniformity throughout India in the administration of the Act. And second, the Drug Consultative Committee shall meet when required, has power to regulate its own procedure. There are functions of DCC. DCC is the Drug Consultative Committee. It constituted by central government, in that 3 person or 3 members is constituted under DCC, 2 representative of central government, 1 representative of each state, and these are the function of DCC. Now next, that is the analytical bodies. Analytical bodies, in that Central Drug Laboratory, that is a CDL, drug controller laboratories in state, and government analysis. You see one by one. First, Central Drug Laboratory. It is established in Calcutta under the control of the director appointed by the central government. The Central Drug Laboratory is established in Calcutta under the control of director appointed by central government. Then, functions of CDL. First, analysis or test of sample of drug, cosmetics sent by custom collector or a court. The sample analysis is the main functions of CDL. Then, analytical QC of the imported sample. Then collection, storage and distribution of internal standards. Then preparation of reference standards and their maintenance. Then maintaining of microbial culture. Any other duties illustrated by central government and acting as a appellate authority in matter of dispute. These are the functions of CDL. CDL is the established in Kolkata under the control of director appointed by central government. These are the functions of CDL. Then next, drug controller laboratory in state. Drug control laboratories in state in Gujarat, three laboratories established which collect, analyze and report the various sample of the drug and food. The drug control laboratory is report and analysis the sample of drugs as well as food. The three laboratories are established in Gujarat. First, Baroda, established in 1959. Baroda, established in 1959. Bhuj, established in 1979. Rajkot, established in 1983. The laboratory has the following division. In that laboratory, there are three laboratories. First, Baroda, second, Bhuj, third, Rajkot, and this in this laboratory there are following division. First, pharmaceutical chemistry division. First division, that is a pharmaceutical chemistry division. Then immunological division, pharmacological division, pharmacognosy division, food division and ayurvedic division. There are division in the lab. Now the functions of drug control laboratories. First, testing of drug sample, analysis of food sample, analysis of exercise sample or other sample by sending us through the sample collector. This is the drug control laboratories in state. Next point you will discuss in next lecture, that is a government analyst. Then today's you will see about DCC and start with analytical bodies. DCC is the Drug Consultative Committee. It is also advisory body constituted under central government. There are their constitution. There are three members, two representative of central government, one representative of each state government. You see the functions of DCC. The main function to advise the central government, the state government and the drug technical advisory board on any other matter tending secure uniformity throughout India in the administration of the act. Also you will see the drug consultative committee shall meet when required, has power to regulate its own procedure. Then starting with new point, analytical bodies in that central drug laboratory, drug control laboratories in state and government analysis. You see the central drug laboratory, it is established in Kolkata by appointed by central government. Various functions of CDL. Main functions is the analysis or test of sample of a drug and cosmetics sent by the custom collector. It is a main function of CDL. Then drug control laboratories in state. The drug control laboratories in state in Gujarat, three laboratories. First, Baroda, established in 1959. Bhuj, established in 1979. Rajkot, established in 1983. These are the three laboratories in Gujarat. Many division or the division of the laboratories. First, pharmaceutical chemistry division, immunological division, pharmacological division, pharmacognosy division, food division, ayurvedic division. You also write the functions, testing of drug sample, analysis of food sample, analysis of exercise sample. Now next lecture you see the government analysis. Government analyst is the officer are appointed by the central or state government and perform the duties. Now it is for today's lecture. You next point you will see the next lecture. Thank you.